Santa fired Rudolph, not fired, replaced. New AI-powered headlights, high beam all weather, no sick days. More efficient than a glowing nose ever was. And honestly, the math made sense. Rudolph only worked one night a year, only useful in fog. One client, no leverage. That was never a career. That was an on-call contract nobody examined too closely. So Rudolph sat there on the shelf, useful for one thing, that thing gone. Here's what nobody asked. Was the nose ever really the point? Because the other reindeer didn't exclude him because he was dim. They excluded him because he was different, and he survived it. He found others like him. He built something from the wreckage of that. A headlight can cut through fog. It cannot cut through that. Act 2, Hermie has a problem.